All right, boys. It's time for snack time and snack Wishables. Whoa. I got them from, you like that? They're snack Wishables. It's the Park Food Series Part 2. I got them from the outlets. Wow. And we're gonna open them with our snacks. So I'm super excited to open these. These were actually the series from exactly 1 year ago when COVID-19 took over. So we didn't get to get them because they weren't in the stores for very long. But now we have them. So it's like we're having a mukbang. Look, boys, we're mukbanging. Haha. 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 Time for some food Wishables. What do you think it is? Our choices are the cotton candy, the turkey leg, the churro, or the popcorn.
This is the churro.
The churro?
Yep.
Ah, whoa, it's 3 in 1. These are super cute. Little churros. Little churros. Yum, 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 yum. I think this is also the churro. I don't know. Double churro. I knew I got 2 churros. Okay, I think that this is the cotton candy. Let's see. It's the popcorn. I wanted this so much more than the cotton candy. Cute. All right, you ready? Your turn. Say, ooh, what could it be? What could it be? I think that one's the turkey leg. Ready? 1, 2, 3. What is it? What is it? It didn't open. It's a mystery. Give me it back. 3, 2, 1.
Oh my goodness.
3, 2, 1. Turkey leg. Turkey leg, cute, in the little wrapper. Trace churros. Which is perfect because we could send one to Jennifer. So looking at this set, we got all of them except the cotton candy, which is okay because I didn't think we'd get any of these. Plus we have the open variant, which is the Mickey waffle with 2 looks. And there they are. Let's go put them away. Woo! So Parker put a hole in his other ball pit, so we got him this one. So in they go. Wishables! Wishables! You comfy? You comfy? Excuse me. Ha!
Lot more family.